Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off screen recording restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. If you've tried to screen record and received a message saying it's restricted, don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. So let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone or iPad and go to the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down until you see Screen Time and tap on it. Inside Screen Time, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here you see a button App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Tap on it. Scroll down to the Game Center settings. You'll find Screen Recording there. Tap on Screen Recording and you'll see two options, Allow, Don't Allow. If Allow is selected, your iPhone won't let you screen record. To remove the restriction, simply select Don't Allow. Now, your screen recording feature is fully enabled, and you can start recording without any issues. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off screen recording restrictions on your iPhone or iPad. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.